Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIPS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. This is Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National ITL, English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 4, today I am going to take your English language class. Our today's topic is interjections. Now you can ask, what is interjections? Interjections are the words we use to express our strong feelings or emotions. Let's start our class, and gradually we will know what is interjection. Okay, our subject is English language, and now today's topic is interjection. So there is the definition. What is interjection? Interjections are words that you can use to express a strong sense of emotion or feeling. So when you want to express or when you want to show a strong sense of emotion or feeling, you will use some words, and those words are called interjections. Okay, and we will give examples. An interjection is usually just a single word, and unlike any other part of English grammar. So interjection is a single word. Remember this one. It doesn't influence the grammar of a sentence in any way, and interjections do not influence the grammar. Okay, in a sentence, an interjection will not influence the grammar. That means it will not affect the sentence of the grammar. Like sometimes we use the words wow, right? And like hooray if you win a match, or if there is a news of joy, we use hooray like this. Those are interjections, and we will use this exclamation mark to show our strong feelings. Okay, we can divide our interjections in 6 categories: interjections of greeting, interjections of joy, interjections of attention, interjections of approval, interjections for surprise, or interjections for sorrow. So first we will start with interjections of greetings. So when you will use interjections of greetings, now interjections of greeting is used in the sentence to indicate the emotion of warmth to the person meeting with, such as hello, hey, hi. So when you are going to meet a person, when you meet a person, if you want to show your emotion, strong emotion of warmth to that person, you will use those words. If you want to greet that person, you will use those interjections: hello, hey, hi. Now look, there's the example: hey, where are you going? Hi, what are you up to? Hello, I'm Ekta. So these are the examples of greeting. Now we will go to interjections for joy. So interjections for joy is used in the sentence to indicate immediate joy and happiness on any happy occasion, such as hooray, wow, etc. So these include, now look, hooray, wow, hooray, we have won, good, now we can move on, wow, what a beautiful dress. So those are interjections for joy. That means you will use hooray, wow, good, those interjections to express your strong emotions for joy or happiness. Now we will go to interjections for attention. So interjections for attention is used in the sentence to draw attention of someone, such as look, listen, behold, hush, shh, like this. So if you want to draw the attention of someone or somebody, you will use those interjections. You will use those words. Look, she's so bad. Listen, I'm not talking about you. Behold, something is there. Shh, be quiet. So those are the examples of interjections for attention. So if you want to draw the attention, or if you want to if you want to draw the attention of someone, you will use those interjections. Now interjections for approval. So interjections for approval is used in the sentence to express the strong sense of approval or agreement for something that has happened, such as bravo, brilliant or well done. So you will use those words like bravo, brilliant, well done to show the expression of a strong sense of approval or agreement. That means if there is something outstanding, if there is something brilliant, you will use those words. Well done, you won the race. Okay, and there will be a full stop. So well done, you won the race. Brilliant, that was a good shot. Bravo, you scored the most. That means those sounds like the approval. That means you approve that he won the race. And we can also use congratulations in case of approval. Congratulations or congrats are also interjections for approval, like bravo, brilliant, well done. You can also use congratulations or congrats. Now look, well done, you won the race. Brilliant, that was a good shot. That means that was a good shot that was different from the other shots. This one is the good or this one is the best. Bravo, you scored the most. That means you scored the most. None can beat you, that's why we use those interjection bravo. Now we will go to our next category, interjections for surprise. So interjections for surprise is used in the sentence to express the strong sense of surprise about something that has happened, such as ha, what, oh, ah, eh. So those are the interjections used to show the show the strong emotion of surprise. So when you become surprised, you will use those words. Ah, it feels good. Oh, you both know each other. What? He died. Ah, I got a $100 note. So those are used to show the strong sense of surprise. So remember this one. Now interjections for sorrow is, and this interjections for sorrow is used in the sentence to express the emotion of sadness about something unfortunate that has happened, such as alas, ah, oh, ouch. So now look, when you want to show the emotion of sadness, you will use those words. And now look, we also use those interjections like ah, oh to show the expression of surprise. So those are the interjection for sorrow. Remember, alas, ah, oh and ouch. Now look at this example, ouch, that hurts. So whenever you get hurt, you will use this exclamation like ouch, oops, I'm sorry, that was my mistake. We can also use oops to show our sadness. Alas, he broke his leg. So those are the interjections, and those are the words we use to show our strong sense of emotion, that means a strong sense of sadness, like alas, ouch, oops, etc. Now we will do some exercise. Now look, fill in the blanks with suitable interjections from the box. So what are the interjections in this box? Congrats, hello, hooray, bravo, oh, brilliant, wow, alas, what, ouch. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 interjections, and there are 10 sentences. You need to fill in the blanks by using those interjections. Let's do it. Our first sentence, that we have won the match. We have won the match. That means this is the expression of joy or happiness. So we will use which one? Now try to find it out. Which one? Yes, I know all of you know the answer. We will use hooray in our first fill in the blank. So there will be hooray, and don't forget to put the exclamation mark. Okay. Now next one, dash I have hurt my toe. I have hurt my toe. That means this is the expression of sorry, this is the expression of sorrow or sadness. So we will use here which one, alas or ouch. But we get hurt, that means I have hurt my toe, so we will choose ouch. Ouch, I have hurt my toe. So we will write here ouch. And we will also give exclamation mark. Now look, there is the exclamation mark with those words. Now number C, where are you going now? Where are you going now? That means you were calling someone and you were greeting someone. So what will be the answer? Yes, we will use hello. Hello, where are you going now? Now number D. Now look, dash, I am undone. So this is the expression of sadness or sorrow. So we will use here which one? Now look, congrats, brilliant, wow, alas, what, bravo. Oh, we will use here alas. Okay. So alas, I am undone. Now number E. Dash, you finally got your degree. So this is the expression of approval. So we will use here, any idea? Yes, we can write here congrats, brilliant. So you finally got your degree, so we will congratulate him. Okay, so we will write here congrats. Now number 8. That's really great news. That's really great news. So this is the expression of joy. So we can write here, that means you get a good news, so you will be happy. So we will use here wow. Wow, that's really great news. Now number G. Dash, the story was really sad. So this is the expression of sadness. So we will use brilliant, bravo, what, or oh. Which one? Yes, you are correct. Oh. Now look, number 8. Dash, your plan is outstanding. Outstanding, that means this is totally different from others. That means you have done it brilliantly, isn't it? So we will use here the interjection brilliant. Now number I. Dash, you have broken the showpiece. You have broken the showpiece. That means you become surprised. So there will be bravo or what. So if you broke the showpiece, will you give them bravo? No. So we will be surprised. So there will be the interjection what. What? You have broken the showpiece. So we will write here the interjection what. And you must give the what? You must give the exclamation mark. Now the last one, dash, you have done well. So you have done well. This is also the expression for approval. So only one left, we can use here bravo. Bravo, you have done well. So there are 10 sentences and we have used 10 interjections to fill in the blanks. Okay, let's read. Number A, hooray, we have won the match. Number B, ouch, I have hurt my toe. Number C, hello, where are you going now? Number D, alas, I am undone. Number E, congrats, you finally got your degree. Number F, wow, that's really great news. Number G, oh, the story was really sad. Number H, brilliant, your plan is outstanding. Number I, what, you have broken the showpiece. Number J, bravo, you have done well. So dear students, these are the exercise, and now I'm going to give you the homework, and it will be homework number 4. Homework number 4, and all of you will do your homework and you will submit it on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM, and your homework will be this exercise. That means interjection exercise exercise 1, that means A to J. That means you will do this exercise as your homework. This is HW4. You will do this exercise as your homework number 4. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. All of you will submit your homework regularly and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.